Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Lingo, your daily guide to explore, engage and expand your vocabulary. Today, we're diving into the vibrant, ever-evolving world of trendy slang that's shaping conversations in English-speaking cultures around the globe. If you've ever found yourself scratching your head at what your younger cousin is saying or feeling like a dinosaur because you don't know what lit means, fear not. We're here to decode the latest lingo that's buzzing on social media and popping in pop culture. So buckle up, grab your favorite snack, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about bet. Now, this word has become the go-to expression for agreement. It's like saying okay or sure. Imagine your friend asks if you want to grab lunch. Instead of the usual sure, you can hit them with a confident bet. It's like a secret handshake that says, I'm in. It's simple, it's snappy, and it's definitely cooler than just nodding your head. Next, we have cap and no cap. This duo is a must-know for anyone wanting to navigate the waters of modern conversation. Cap means a lie or falsehood, while no cap is your way of saying you're being completely truthful. Picture this. You're at a party and someone claims they just won the lottery. If you think they're pulling your leg, you can say, that's cap. But if you believe them, you can respond with, no cap, that's amazing. It's a fun little way to keep the conversation lively and make sure everyone knows you're not just blowing smoke. Now, let's get to flex. This term is all about showing off, whether it's your new car, your latest gadget, or maybe even your impressive dance moves. If someone's bragging about their achievements, you might hear someone say, he really likes to flex his new car. It's all in good fun, but remember, a little flexing goes a long way. You don't want to be that person who shows up to dinner and turns it into a car show, right? Speaking of excitement, have you ever been to a party that was just, well, lit? This slang term has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. When something is described as lit, it means it's exciting, fun, or downright excellent. So if you went to a concert that blew your mind, you'd definitely say the party last night was lit. It's the kind of term that makes you want to high-five everyone around you. Now, let's switch gears and talk about ghosting. This term has a slightly darker vibe. Ghosting refers to the act of suddenly cutting off all communication with someone without any explanation. Picture this. You've been on a couple of dates, things seem to be going well, and then, poof, they vanish like a ghost. You might say, I can't believe he ghosted me after our third date. It's a term that's all too relevant in the age of online dating. Just remember, if you're feeling spooked, it's not always about the supernatural. Next up is savage. This term describes someone who speaks or acts in a bold, unapologetic, and sometimes ruthless manner. If someone delivers a killer comeback that leaves everyone speechless, you could say, her comeback was savage. It's like the ultimate compliment for anyone who's got a sharp tongue and isn't afraid to use it. Just be careful. Sometimes being too savage can leave a trail of hurt feelings in your wake. And then we have slay. This word is all about doing something exceptionally well. Whether you're rocking an outfit or nailing a presentation, if you've done it fabulously, you've slayed. Imagine someone walks into a room wearing an outfit that turns heads. You'd definitely say, you slayed that outfit. It's a term that celebrates success, style, and confidence. So go ahead, slay your day. Now let's spill some tea. No, we're not talking about the beverage. In slang, tea refers to gossip or juicy information. If you've got the inside scoop on what went down at a party, you'd say, I have some tea about what happened at the party. It's the perfect way to engage in some light-hearted gossip with friends. Just remember, sharing tea can be fun, but too much can lead to a scandal. Thanks for tuning in to Learn Lingo. We hope you enjoyed our dive into the latest and greatest slang words making waves in English-speaking cultures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our language tips and updates. Catch you in the next video, and remember to keep it fresh with your new slang knowledge.